Question everything, trust nothing. It's your boys, Keeper and Crusader. Welcome to Crypto Wars. What is poppin', Crusader?
What's going on, man? What a day it's been.
Yeah, it had been a better day. Let's just start off. We got trading wars going on. So let's just real quick touch the topic that it'd been a better day if you would have listened to your boy Keeper and slid that stop loss up.
They're hunting me, bro. I can't do that.
Oh, Bitcoin's
the minute
after
I pushed it up, they said, dump it.
Bitcoin's after you. Chat, welcome. Thank you guys for being here. I know normally it's Thursdays, so hopefully we can get a bunch of people in here. Retweet, if you would, the tweet that we put out on Twitter. It is Crypto Wars OG. That would be greatly appreciated. We're trying to get a bunch of people in here because normally it's Thursday. But hey, it's Thanksgiving this week. So welcome, welcome, welcome. We appreciate you all for being here. I want to give a shout out real quick to our sponsors. Market Cypher, 20% off if you're looking for a fantastic indicator. That link is down below. Also, don't be stupid. Use high IQ. That information is down below. And a big shout out to our sponsor, our partner, ZoomX, for providing all of the liquidity to the traders. Thank you, ZoomX. You have been a fantastic partner in this process. We appreciate you. So, Crusader, you want to give everybody the rundown on what's going on and what the rules are real quick?
Rules are no trading below 1 billion market cap. Rules are for the people watching at home, you can trade whatever you want all day, every day for the next 2 weeks. We're on week 2, ending of week 2 here for Trading Wars. You guys still got time to sign up. The link is in the chat. Go sign up to ZoomX and join the competition to win $1,000. Somebody last season won $1,000. Maybe this season could be you. Who knows?
Is the link in the chat?
I didn't do it.
Well, that makes 2 of us. So as I announce my team, if my partner in crime here could do us a solid, that would be freaking fantastic. That's my bad. I probably dropped the ball on that, but that's nothing new. My ADD's like squirrel. All right. So also today we have got the DOJ announcement on a bunch of crypto craziness going on. So we're going to do a little bit of a mixed stream. We're going to be doing trading wars throughout the stream, checking in on the traders, all the live trading that you guys want, but we also are going to pay attention to that because possibly the traders might want to use the news. I know a lot of the traders will say we don't use news to trade, but we might possibly use the news for some trades today. All right, let me announce my members of my team. So we have got the Goliath, Crypto Crow. Crow, what up?
What's up? I'm reading all this craziness about this stuff that's coming out.
Yeah, I'm interested to see. It's going to be going live in about 5 minutes.
Bitcoin should dump really hard.
Well, we're going to find out. We've got Forrest from Sistine Research. What's up, Forrest?
What's up, guys? Thanks for having me on.
Glad that you are here. And an opposing team member, Honest, in the house. Honest, what up? I think you
What's going on with it?
There
it's
it
the
is.
Keeper and Crusader show, man. Yo, talk about.
There it is. There it is. Super excited to have everybody on. We're going to have some fun today. Like I said, we're also going to pay a little bit of attention to what's going on in the news because we think it's important. Chat, let me just say hi to Cryptoholic Love. 35 was first in the chat. Gata Life, Patriot Caveman, Justin Eubanks, Crypto Chef, Bullish on Parade, Shane Stein. Guys, we appreciate you. Let me just hit a chat real quick because it's a good one to start. So if I have enough money, I can pay the government to drop my charges. Didn't know it worked that way. Well, actually, it works a little.
It's pretty interesting.
Works a little more like this.
You break the law.
That's right.
And then they just tell you, hey, if you pay this much, we'll kind of forget about it.
Pay this, step away, and yeah, we'll just bless you. Ominous Dominus. You can walk away free to go. Crypto Guy 1976 says, "What's up, Keeper? What's up, brother?" I'm going to guess you're a brother since you said Crypto Guy. I'm also going to guess you're about 47 years old. Let's just wild guess there. But I guess you could have graduated from high school in 1976, and that would be way off.
Well, our stop loss has gotten hit, and we are out of that trade.
And how much money do we make?
Donkey poop. Let me tell you, we made $51.
That's 2 profitable trades today.
Yeah, that's trash.
That's 2 profitable trades.
And we're turning back around right
Crusader
now.
has this idea that you can just win it all on every trade.
That's right. Get rich or die trying.
All right, gents, let me ask Forrest, what is your beginning balance? Hold on a second.
We're at 584 after forgetting to put in a stop loss on a Dogecoin trade last week.
584. All right. Let's see here. Honest, what are you at?
978.
978. And then Crow,
What?
what are you at to start your account balance?
Oh, garbage.
Garbage.
Available balance 300. Oh no, I'm at $33. That's not right.
No. All the way.
I don't know.
I sure hope it's not $33.
It's not the available. It's the equity derivative. Whatever.
Because I'm in a trade right now. It's getting better, but it's negative $118.
Okay, fantastic. Just needed to get the starting numbers for our P&Ls. Reminder, chat, smash the like. Make sure you subscribe to us, Forrest, Honest, Crow. Their information is down below. They're all on their own time here, having some fun, doing some trading. And a reminder, we're putting them in really bad situations here with the, making them trade. So just keep an eye on how they're doing some things, but also understand we're making them trade. You guys can trade 24/7. They have to trade right now, so it makes it really difficult. Crusader, I think you just brought up
and
the.
Don't forget about the NFTs.
Yeah. How many of them have been sold?
Forget about the NFTs. We've sold 3 so far. There's only 9 left. Somebody picked up Crow's NFT yesterday. So make sure that you guys are trying to find out who is that winning trader and hold their NFT at the end of the competition to get 25% of the mint plus whatever that trader is giving away themselves, which is pretty valuable nowadays. And they're only 0.1 Ethereum.
And
right now.
plus, you get to come on the show to play Flipper Hodl. If you win, if you get Keeper or Crusader, that's an automatic come on the show for Flipper Hodl. So there's 3 of the 12 that bring you on the show for Flipper Hodl. $1,945 is what the next show is going to be bringing to the table. If you want to drop a super chat so we can put you on the wheel, actually, Lee Kalafi just put something on there. So shout out to Lee. Appreciate you for the $10 super chat. I'll put you on the wheel for 10 more times, Lee, as we speak. I am doing that now. If you guys want to make sure that you're on and have the opportunity to do that, drop a super chat. Every dollar is a name on the wheel. All right, it's 3 o'clock, gents. You guys can trade. I am going to, real quick, while you guys start trading, I'm going to flip on and share my screen to the what's going on in the crazy world of crypto right now. I think it's supposed to go live right now. Let me switch over and see if it's gone live.
It'll just be a video of Scarface.
Let's also address the elephant in the room. Somebody was asking in the channel in the chat.
Oh yeah,
Frankie and Kelly have dropped out of the competition due to scheduling conflicts. They will not be able to participate. But that's pretty much it.
Yeah.
No, nothing else. Nothing crazy. Just scheduling conflicts.
Just had some scheduling stuff going on. All right, fantastic. It's supposed to go live. It says 3 p.m.
You're taking Honest on your team now, right? So we're 4v4.
Well, I got to double. Well, we can do that. Honest, does your schedule allow you to come on Thursdays, or do you need to stay on Mondays?
Oh, I literally could be on it anytime. I was on during when AJ was trading. That's how I ended up. That's how I ended up losing money. I'm on anytime.
Okay,
that's
all right.
At a bad time. What was it, yesterday?
Well, you just got traded, Honest. I stole you from Crusader, so you are coming over to Team Keeper. I stole you since we had 2 people drop, so we're gonna flip you over to Thursdays. And if you can't come on a Thursday, like always, you can come on Mondays. You guys can trade any days that you want. But just want to throw that out there. So cool.
I'm hoping we reverse out of this. Looks like an ascending pennant. We're trying to touch out of it. I'm praying we drop out of it hard.
Man, I don't know. This DOJ stuff could be the catalyst to freaking just give Bitcoin the Viagra it needs to just pump.
Yeah, I'm hoping so.
I don't know, man. I mean, when you look at it, it looks like CZ's already saying he's willing to settle and resign.
Yeah, isn't he stepping down? I thought he was stepping down already.
But that's as part of this settlement that the DOJ is proposing. Basically, give us all your money and go away, and we won't continue going after you.
And we'll stop attacking you.
Right.
Why is this thing not live yet? It said 3 o'clock. Okay. We got like 2,000 people waiting to watch this.
Hit refresh on it.
Sometimes it's not always exactly on time.
No, it's not. It's not live as of yet. So we will keep an eye on that. I'll keep flipping back over there. Gentlemen, anybody in a trade right now that they've just recently executed or anything that we want to get into right now with where we're at?
I'm in a sushi swap long as well as a Solana long, but nothing too crazy there. Just bidding on a trend line.
Did you just get into those, or is that
right before we started?
okay? Like right as we were starting. Okay.
Yeah,
okay,
because
cool.
it crashed a little bit, and I wanted to get an entry point. So let me know if it doesn't count for the show.
No, you're good. If it was within a couple minutes, we're pretty flexible on that.
Yeah,
Okay, that's no big deal. Somebody asked in the chat, "Where's AJ?" So AJ was on yesterday because he had a scheduling conflict today. So guys, you're going to see multiple the team members kind of jumping around a little bit. It is inevitable with people's schedules. We try to keep them on the same day.
And it's the
holidays.
holidays.
Everybody's traveling. You know what I mean? So that's why we're obviously on today versus Thursday, because nobody wants to watch on Thanksgiving. They're more interested in football and some turkey. Are you guys a turkey guy or a ham guy?
I love ham.
Yeah, you're a ham guy. I'm a ham guy too. Crusader?
I
like steak. I even eat steak on Thanksgiving. That's all this man eats is
turkey.
steak.
No, I like turkey because in the Cuban culture, you eat so much pork throughout the years of any birthday. They're roasting a pork or some crap. So ham, I kind of just we just eat.
Honest, I'll come to you last. Honest, for a particular reason. Forrest, what are you? Are you a ham or a turkey guy?
Turkey with gravy.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right, baby.
Gravy. I definitely like some good gravy, and I don't mind turkey. I just prefer a really good honey baked ham. Honest, what the hell do you eat on Thanksgiving? Because
I don't eat no pig.
Because you don't eat meat at all.
I don't eat no pig. Ham.
You don't eat meat at all.
I ain't never in my look, I used to eat meat though, but I never ate pig. Never, ever ate pig.
You've never had it in your life.
Never. Oh, in jail. They we came off a lockdown. I was tired of eating peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, man. You know what I'm saying? It was either peanut butter jelly sandwich or pork chop. So, but other than that, never. There we go. Vegan turkey.
I've never eaten pig except in jail. I had a pork dinner.
I felt forced. I felt forced. It was a lockdown. I was on lockdown for like 45 days. I was used to eating nothing but soups and peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. And then they let us into the chow hall. And the only thing they had on the menu was pork chops.
And you were like,
damn, I could.
It was cold horse.
There's some badass pork chops that rival steak sometimes.
Yeah, I'm looking.
I jumped into a small Bitcoin short here. Very short term. It's coming down to it's dropping now.
It's getting me. I'm only down $50 so far. I hope it comes back down to me.
They are still not live yet. They said they were starting at 3.
Coming down to the
305.
The 0.5 on the fib retracement.
I'm on a short right now.
Up $20.
What's your target short exit?
The 0.50 is where I'm gonna start taking.
I don't use fib. What's your damn dollar sign? Your dollar amount?
It's 36,875.
Oh, that's a real short. Okay.
Honest, you're in a short too?
It's high leverage. It's 45x long short. I
mean, damn.
Short. Okay. So I'm up $20 right now. Let's get it.
About to see. Honest, what's going on with you? You want to share your screen?
I'm right now. How do we do that? Let me.
Right down in the middle, the little screen share. Right.
Wait a minute. How am I at 50x? I did not. What the fuck is going on? Did this reset on me? No wonder I was losing so much so fast.
And there we are, Honest. All right, so you are what's SNX? Synthetics?
Synthetics.
Okay. And synthetics, you are in.
Is that a 1 billion market cap?
I don't know. Is that a 1 billion market cap?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is. We caught Army Piper yesterday on the stream. Try to slide in a little number 300 and something token. He was honestly, he didn't do it on purpose. I love Army. He didn't do it on purpose. He put on his screener. I think he put 1 billion or higher, and he was just trusting that it was catching the right information. And somehow it picked up a $300 million market cap, which was like way lower than that. But somebody was saying, what they say, Crusader, that sometimes it takes the volume as opposed to the actual
sometimes
market cap?
it takes like if it ever hit 1 billion in its history, it'll take it as a
Oh, okay. I'm looking at mine right now. Mine's at 972 million. So am I cheating?
Let's go, baby. I'm up $47, $51, baby. We're dropping.
It was $1 billion
We're dropping.
when you started.
What do you say? We're dropping?
Yeah, we're dropping. Share my screen, bro. Come on, do something.
Do something. Do something. We're dropping. We're dropping on a short.
$57, baby. Let's go.
Well, let's see if the information.
Oh, massive. Ooh, it's coming down. It's coming down heavy. Oh, let me show you.
What are we at? 45x?
Oh, no, it's coming back up. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, $51 right now. Let's see. Oh, yeah. It's getting rejected from that fib level, baby. It's it's coming back. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Come on. Stop messing around.
Come on. Drop, baby. Drop.
Drop them drawers.
Come on. Up 7% right now on this Bitcoin short. Oh, come on. Keep going down. Has it not started yet?
No.
Well, maybe it started and we're just not seeing it because obviously this thing is.
This looks like a result of some kind of news.
I mean, I'm looking. I've got it pulled up. They got freaking thousands of people waiting. It's just not rocking and rolling. Let me see if there's another one I can find. Hold on a second. Let's see here.
I'm curious to find out why, and I'm not defending it, but how did Sam Bankman-Fried get like 125 years, but then CZ is just like, give us $4 billion and we'll leave you alone?
Is that what he ended up getting?
That's apparently what the offer on the table. DOJ plans to settle case against Binance if the exchange pays over $4 billion.
No, I'm talking about the 125 years. I must have missed that. I didn't think they already sentenced him.
Well, I guess he was
him.
convicted on everything, and he could get up to 125 years. Now he might get 3 months of probation. I don't really know, but they're trying to say that he could get up to 125 years now.
I say 36 months in a federal penitentiary.
Not a chance,
vacation.
Honest.
Vacation. 36 months.
36 months. For one of the biggest...
Hey, but what they say is they'll tell you that he's getting 10 years.
Yeah, that's what I told you. And you're going to forget about it, and then they let him out.
A hell of a lot more time than
you're going to forget about that. 3 years from now, you ain't going to be worried about him. Your crypto bags will be up. You ain't going to be worried about him. FTX is pumping right now. Man, hey, to be honest with you, man, all that shit to me is all just, it's like a big ass
out of that short.
That's what all this is to me. Just a big old play. They've been doing this. I feel like he's the marks. He was the mark. They had to do something to somebody. So, but I don't see him doing more than.
Dude, Bitcoin's starting to come back around. I had to jump out of that short.
I'm trying to check the news because the thing is not live and it looks like the market is moving, but is there news coming out? I don't see anything. I sure don't see it.
Well, Google is somewhere else.
I am. That's what I'm doing.
Find it.
Crypto assets dip as Binance settlement unfolds. What's next? The Fed minutes just got announced.
Okay.
Here we go. You want me to share my screen real quick as you guys are trading?
Go ahead.
Just at least show it. Maybe if I can. There we go. All right. So while the crypto market was shaken by the developments regarding Binance and its CEO CZ, the minutes of the FOMC meeting were also announced. Important highlights were everyone at the FOMC agrees to proceed with caution on interest rates. Everyone at FOMC thinks rates will remain restrictive for a while longer. The Fed foresees additional tightening if the progress in inflation remains insufficient. All participants at the Fed's policy meeting held between October 31st and November 1st agreed that the interest rate setting committee was in a position to proceed cautiously. Participants found it appropriate to keep the target interest rate at 5.25 to 5.5. Most Fed officials saw upside risk to inflation. Many Fed officials saw downside risk to growth. They agreed that policy decisions at each meeting would continue to be based on the totality of the incoming information. And they agreed that maintaining a restrictive attitude would support greater progress towards goals while allowing them time to get. So basically, guess what? They gave us a whole lot of, that was a big nothing burger from the Fed minutes, effectively.
Well, some people said that the news today at 3 could potentially end up being a nothing burger as well, but I didn't know it was specifically about the Binance situation.
So,
I thought they were going to release a whole bunch of like enforcement announcements.
Well, they are. It says Lisa Monaco, Chairman Rostin Benham, and the CFTC, and then Janet Yellen. Like they're all supposed to speak at a press conference. They're at least 12 minutes late at this point. So I guess we'll keep an eye on that.
Price looks like it's coming back down again. I'd really like to break through.
Yeah. I just jumped into my short. Might have jumped in a little bit too early. Jumped into a short again, but I think I'm gonna regret this.
Why? Hold on. Pull up your screen. Share your screen.
It is shared. Just pull it up.
Oh, okay. Tell me what you just did.
Oh, I jumped into another short, but then just squeezed right back up. You see how this massive wick we were coming down here on the 1 minute.
Did we lose on the last one?
I think we lost a little bit because I had to mark it out instead of I couldn't limit out.
Yeah. Okay.
But outside of that, yeah, we're starting to reverse here. We're probably gonna hit my stop loss. Yeah, I knew I should have longed here. Here we go. It's gonna get ugly. Yeah, how can I reverse this thing? There's a reverse button, right?
There's how do I command Z?
There is a reverse button on some other exchange.
How do I command Z on the exchange? No, go the other way. Back up. Don't
there is a reverse button on other exchanges. I don't think there's a reverse here. Yeah, I don't see it.
All right. So I'm just waiting for this information to start, but if it's not going to start, it's not going to start. I keep checking on it. I'll keep checking on it.
Bitcoin, so. I don't know what the hell Bitcoin is.
Yeah. I don't see what's going on. All right. So, Crow, have you got into any trades today as of yet?
I'm still in my short. I haven't got out of it yet.
Okay. What are you shorting again? Remind me.
Bitcoins.
Shorting the Bitcoins, hoping that the information might play towards that. I wouldn't be surprised, obviously, with all the stuff going on with Binance, CZ, etc.
I want to say and make this abundantly clear that I am in the process of formulating an exact trading system to stop my over-emotional ass from ignoring my indicators, from ignoring everything, and just going in on these gut hunches and getting played like an emotional fool by these market makers, because that's what I do. I know it's what I do. I feel like I need to go to like an AA meeting to like solve my mental problems.
Forrest, talk Crow through this. How do we keep Crow from being an emotional wreck trading? Because you are like the epitome of just stone cold killer on the charts in terms of just paying attention and just go like what would be some tips that you would throw out there for the chat?
I mean, I'm down $400. I'm not the one to be giving tips right now, I mean, he's got the right idea. Just get a system.
I think we entered the same trade, honestly, earlier, maybe on a different token, but I think we're at about the same point in a short that didn't go our way.
Yeah. But I mean, at the end of the day, it's all about systematizing it, cutting out the emotions, just knowing that, back testing a system that you can know is provenly profitable is going to give you the confidence.
Wait, hold on.
The man was trying to give you advice, bro.
I'm up $10. I'm up $10 on my lawn, baby. Let's go.
All right. So I think you could show my screen. Yeah.
Let's see it.
So this is what I'm looking at right now on a 5-minute candle. And I did in the last candle, I did get a weak diving crow telling me that the price might be pushing down from there. Typically, when I get even a weak signal on my indicator, they tend to come, but a couple candles later.
Okay.
And so this printed at the close of the candle, and we did go up a little bit, but because that didn't reprint and go away, I believe I think we are going to go lower from here. So I am expecting our shorts to turn around and go into profit here at some point. So I just wanted to get that out. But yeah, I know what he's saying.
I actually think Bitcoin's going to pump from here. Show my screen real quick.
Oh, we have thinking the opposite direction. Let's see what you got.
I'm seeing some support here. Right, we're now breaking this trend line. We came down to the fib of 0.5 2 times on the 5-minute candle, kind of swept it, came right back up, massive buying pressure here. So I think we could, if we follow this trend, we could be pumping back up to this previous week range of about 37,000. I mean, we'll see.
All right. Are you longing for that fact, or?
Yes, sir. I'm in a long right now. Yeah, I'm on a long right now.
It has. He's right about that. I didn't even look at that.
There's so many different ways to look at confluence, right? There's so many different indications that push you one way or another. I swear, sometimes $14, baby. Let's go. Toss up. Sometimes it feels like a toss up. Hey, chat! Just a reminder: we've got the NFTs for sale. Those are 0.1 ETH. If you get myself or Crusaders, you get to come on the show. It's not a spot on the wheel. It's you actually get to come on the show and play Flip or Hodl. That next game is going to be $1,945. So make sure to grab yourself an NFT.
Look at
and then
that
if you
bad boy.
get the winner, you get 25% of the mint, and you get whatever they're offering, and you get to come on the show.
I just printed a flying crow now.
Look at that bad boy just pumping right now, baby. Look at that bad boy pumping. We're up $59, 65. Oh, no, we're coming back down. Oh, no.
We can sit here all day and just sit on the 15-second chart there, Crusader, with you up or down. No. Go, baby. Go, baby.
Let's get it. We can hit that resistance right there, and we're coming back down. But I think we're coming back up, baby. Let's go. In the 1 minute, we're pumping right now.
Oh my God, it is
$100,
like
baby.
crazy.
Share my screen, keeper. Share my screen.
Oh, I thought you had it pulled up.
Yeah.
Oh, I got the wrong screen.
You do have it pulled up. I was like, wait a minute, you do.
Oh, wrong screen. Hold up. Let me see. Showing the receipts here, baby. Showing the receipts.
All right, we're up 100.
Up 13%, baby, on this long. Let's go. We just broke the previous week range. We're going up, baby.
And these fools are still not having this meeting yet. I've updated this thing freaking 5 different times.
I think the meeting was fake news, bro. They were just going to psych us out, and they canceled the meeting.
It's fake news. They just told everybody, hey, we're gonna, just tell everybody we have a meeting and schedule Janet Yellen and everyone else. And then
so we got that moving average coming down, and we might go sideways over the course of this hour, but then we could potentially bounce off of that moving average and then crash to the downside out of that ascending triangle that we're basically charting out. Oh, well, yeah. Fuck. I'm not convinced that we're not going to go short hard at some point here.
Crusader, you've been making some profitable trades recently, and then if you just stacked on top of the fact that I try to get you to be even more profitable.
I just don't take profits.
I try to keep you more profitable. See, it's a great team if you would use the team structure. You've been trading well, and then I tell you, hey, let's take profits, and you say no.
See, what I think what's happening is you're like the bad eye, bro. You're the bad luck. Every time you say take profits, it instantly dumps.
Well, because I was right. I'm calling tops. That's what that's called.
No,
I'm like,
that's just like
I'm the top keeper.
You're the top keeper. You're just calling.
I'm just calling tops. I called the Shiba top. I'm calling these tops. I mean,
Oh no, I think we're having a reversal here in the short time. I'm gonna start taking some profits.
There we go. What did you just say? I need to clip that again. I need to clip that. Crusader is going to be taking profits. I like it. Whose do we have pulled up right now? Oh, that was Crow. All right, Honest. How's your trade working out, brother? Let me see what you got going on up in here.
Yeah, I think you're busy. I'll hit you back.
All right, just hit me. I'll send the money. Man.
Yeah.
Honest, you are.
Looks like it ain't really moving. This is on the 15, I think. So really just stagnant.
Yeah, but it looks like you're up a few bucks.
Yeah, I'm up a little bit.
Let's go. We're moving back up again, baby. We're moving back up on the 1 minute. Let's go, baby. It's pumping now.
Somebody in the chat said time updated from 3 to 3:30 on the DOJ. Flimsy. Thank you very much. So we got about 9 minutes before that.
Ooh, we pumping now, baby. Let's go. Come on. Let's break this. We're getting a little bit of a reversal signal here with Chart Prime, and it looks like a market cipher might be.
David wants to shoot you a reminder, Crusader.
We're breaking out, baby. We're breaking out.
If there's been news and is dropping, be careful because the reversal will be swift. And that is actually solid advice. That is genuinely, or generally, I should say, rather, how that works.
So I never trade on a 5 minute. I've never seen like
I'm on the 1 minute.
And then a weak flying signal on like 2 candles later, and then boom, it takes off. I have not seen that yet. That's crazy.
Yeah, Crusader is moving slowly towards the crackhead time frames of Jason Casper.
I literally can't use the 30-second one because we don't have that upgrade, but we will upgrade it because they got a black sale right now.
Oh, we're gonna take advantage of the Black Friday sale?
Yeah. Need them 30-second crack hits, bro.
Hey, how many of you guys use TradeLight?
I have no idea what that is.
Because I just bought like a year account, and it's like trying to make sense of somebody throwing bones into a bowl, and I know there are.
Isn't that like the heat map? Isn't that like one of those heat maps?
Liquidity heat maps with like everything, man. I really want to.
You should talk to Magic about that.
Okay.
Magic
Internet Money is who you should talk about that, because he had a discussion with us about that, and there's some really interesting information in those, Crow, that I think you really should talk to him about. Because
you guys know who I think is one of the most underrated traders of like the 2017, 2018 market?
Who's that?
Jacob freaking Canfield.
Jacob Canfield?
How many of you guys remember him or know him?
I have no idea who that is.
Dude, I'm telling you what, he used to work with Mark Moss back in the day.
Is he somebody we can get on the show? You know him?
Maybe. I don't. Yeah, I know him. I mean, the first time he's a short guy, man. He's like this, and he looks real young.
Everyone's short to you, Crow.
But I know.
She's a short guy.
Let's be fair. The 7-footer calling somebody short is not like doesn't tell me much.
Well, he closed a whole bunch of. He was a chiropractor and a trader, and he closed up all of these offices, and then gave all of his employees like 100,000 XRP or something when they were worth a few pennies. Before they blew up, before the case, before all that, made them all pretty rich. And then he did some stuff that like he got kind of canceled off of YouTube for. Which wasn't, it was stupid, but it wasn't like full blown. It wasn't that big of a deal. But man, I tell you what, like the shit that guy knew, and it's like, now I'm mad that he's like not on YouTube. He posts on Twitter sometimes, but I'm like, I wish that dude would just come back to YouTube and like start fucking it up again, because he was so good. He's like a market maker type, you know, his like style was all about like, you know, crushing the market makers and things. But he wasn't about the bullshit, man. And I'm like, I'm going to try and convince him to get going.
Yeah. Try to get him on the show then. We'd love to have him on. We are actively figuring out the traders for season 3 already. It seems like the seasons fly by. We're in week 2 already. I know.
But if I get him, he's got to be on my team, whatever team I'm on.
All right. Well, you're going to have to work that out on yours and his schedule. So we'll work with you.
Yeah, if anybody knows any good traders out there that want to be on the show, tag us on Twitter. Tag us with their name on Twitter.
Trade Travel Chill, but she's all over the world all the time. But I could try to get her. I love her. She learned from Jacob.
Does she have a? I mean, as long as she's got a laptop and she can trade, you know what I mean?
Yeah, she's got a YouTube channel. She's got an amazing course. She's got all kinds of shit.
Okay. Yeah, we haven't had a female on yet either, so we'd love
She's
that.
Awesome.
We'd love the opportunity to have that. So yeah,
I'll hit her up. I'll try and get them both on if I can. It'd be great to have them both on my team.
That would be.
Crow's just recruiting his own team right now.
Well, listen, you know, your boy Crypto Face wants to put together his own little all-star team for season 3 too. So he was talking to me about that. He said, "You need to let me bring just my team on versus whoever wants it." And
that'd be a fun ass show, I tell you that.
And see what time it is.
I love Jeff, man. I love Crypto Face.
That would be fun.
Bitcoin might be breaking out here. We're holding this previous range support here. This 37,000 areas kind of holding up. If it holds up, we're gonna be moving up towards that 37,100 give or take, which is previous day range. If we break above that, off to the races, baby.
We're gonna see here in about 4 minutes how off to the races this gets.
Hey, bro, it's happening. Look at that. It's called a green candle. Now it's a red candle. See that? See what happens when you're negative? You see, I just got it on screen. Every time you're negative, it dumps.
Come on.
Well, dude, this is fantastic. We need to get an indicator called the inverse keeper, and I will, call out what I'm thinking.
This could be a little bullish flag here, because you see this massive little pull. It looks like a little flag kind of situation. So it can break up that way. Come on, go up. Come on.
I think it's actually a good sign that guys like me hit the go long button and it immediately reverses into a terrible short, because that means that we're seeing something. We're just not quite sure what the fuck it is. So if we just counter trade ourselves, we'd be billionaires. An indicator that does that, it tracks my buys and sells and then tells the world the opposite. The world would be rich like every time I make a trade.
Who is MDX? Anybody know who this is?
Nope.
No.
Crypto Crabman said, get MDX on. He's a good trader, currently trashing other influencers on X. Well, I'm hoping he's trashing them in terms of like just out trading them. We don't want to come on here and trash people.
Yeah, right.
I'm
sure that's what he meant.
That's definitely not the.
I love traders that know their shit and could just mop the floor with me any day. I respect the shit out of that because trading, I know how complicated it is.
It is.
And how many little tiny things you have to remember constantly so that when you see it, you've got this muscle memory to acknowledge different price action triggers and things. And it's like the biggest, most crazy puzzle that when people can solve it, I like have nothing but respect.
Yeah. It really is. I've seen and I think it's interesting that there's so many different trading styles. And when we would bring people on,
shit.
What's wrong?
My stop loss got hit.
What do you think? He made more money. He's pissed.
You got stopped out.
I got stopped out. $36. Trash.
Bro, 3 profitable trades today.
It's pumping back up now, bro. I told you they were hunting me. They hunted me down, and now they're pumping that bad boy back up.
The funny thought is that you think they're hunting your $2,000 trade or whatever.
Every time. I got receipts.
Yeah, they're like, there it is. Liquidity hunting. Crusaders in $2,000. Get him.
I got receipts. I put in an order today with my stop loss and everything. We were hundreds of dollars away from my order to fill. It drops to my order fill, and it instantaneously goes all the way down to my stop loss by $20 and stops me out.
I think we have somebody in chat looking for a boyfriend.
Yeah, Magic is.
Who's been to prison before that might be able to help this guy out? I'm just kidding, man.
Oh man, we got a nice little reversal here. Bitcoin is dropping right now. Like,
come on, keep going.
Titanic.
It is about 3:30, so the news is about to start. I'm going to jump on that in just a second, but I want to recognize our sponsors. Market Cypher, 20% off down below. Don't be stupid. Use high IQ, and thank you to ZoomX for providing all of the liquidity to the traders. We appreciate you as a partner and sponsor, so thank you to all of our sponsors. We love you guys. All right, let me flip over here, see if this thing's actually going to start. I'm keeping an eye on it. Looks like it's
bouncing off of that ribbon, man. Oh, no, it's pushing through. Come on, just fucking plummet. 36.
We got 120 people in here. How many likes do we have? Because I feel like
12.
I know. I feel like it's so hard for people just to click the little thumbs up. It's like, come on, it's free. It takes 2 seconds. If you are on mobile, X out of the live chat.
We got 49 likes. Come on, guys. We can do better than that. Smash those likes.
We got to get to 100 likes, guys. Come on. Come on. I got faith in everybody in here. We can get to 100 likes. Let's make it happen. I know nobody likes when people ask to smash the likes.
Look at this. YouTube. They dumped the price to get me out, bro. And then now they instantly reversed it. I'm telling you, bro.
It's definitely the Bitcoin, the
I don't know what whale is watching this show that's hunting me down, but go hunt somebody else, bro.
Yeah, dude. I was thinking about it. I was like, yeah, Bitcoin, which is at $725 billion, is hunting your 2,000 for sure.
That's right.
Not without a doubt. Absolutely. The entire market.
If I can make it, if I can call out a profitable trade, they know that everyone else can, and they're trying to hunt me down.
Hey, Crow, you see what Magic said?
What?
Check this out. You need to talk to him. I told you this. Look at the chat I just put up here.
Stay away. All the traders that I kind of dig they use it like a religion.
He'll explain
where the liquidity points are. So they
he explained it really well to us, just throwing it out there. Just have a conversation with him about it, because it was a really interesting point that he brought up regarding it. And that basically there's a lot of spoofing in crypto. I'll let him talk to you, but there's a lot of spoofing in crypto, and legitimately like some big numbers get thrown around where they can put in orders to make the heat map look like something, and it's called spoofing. They'll put it in, and then they will pull it. So basically, they are trying to attract you to do what they want you to do, and then they will pull it. And then when they have a lot of money, you can make that heat map look really freaking interesting. Because it's not actually live. It's not the stock market, right? You can't just pull in the stock, right? But in crypto, you can place an order and let it sit and then pull it. You see what I'm saying? And so
that's some bullshit.
Yeah.
See, man, that's the thing about trading that sucks. You just can't reach out and smack someone in the mouth when they pull that shit on you.
You and I are going to get to smack somebody in the mouth
before
too long. You and I are going to get to smack somebody in the mouth before too long. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, see, I'm not allowed to hit my guy in the face. So,
yeah. He's too pretty for it.
No, we just agreed. We're both old men. We're not going to try and punch each other in the mouth. But that temple's going to be wide open for a night moment.
So Keeper,
so hard.
What? What's up, Honest?
Can Is there a way you could play this video of this dude trash talking, or you can't do that?
Oh, you want to see it on here?
Hell yeah! I want to see somebody talking shit about my boy Keeper, man.
I mean, shit. He all but announced it anyway. Let me pull it up. I'll pull it up. Hold on a second. Give me a second. Let me find it. Oh boy.
Yeah, I never knew who that guy was until this IFC thing.
Yeah.
I've never heard of him. That shiny dude's a freaking trip, though.
He's funny.
How is he like a free man? Like
he is funny, dude. He is funny. Hilarious. He was who I was gonna fight originally, and then where is
something tells me that dude would eat a bloody liver before he got into the pit just for like effect. Like that dude's nuts.
Yeah, for sure. I am almost positive of it. Let me see here. Let me find the video right quick, and then I will pull it. I think it's right about. Daggone, we've been talking a lot in the fight chat. I gotta scroll way the heck up here.
Man, I hope we don't bounce at the bottom of this.
You fight MMA?
We are fighting karate combat here. Yeah.
I'm old school MMA. I'm old now. Now they want to cut off all my tools so I fight in this pit.
All right, you want to see it? You want to see it? Here it goes.
Is this your OnlyFans? What is this?
Here you go.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Rodney from My Crypto Journey, and I am excited to announce that I will be fighting for Karate Combat in the Influencer Fight Club, streaming live only on Cryptos R Us Plus. I am fighting because this is my dream. It's been my dream to do some sort of combat sport, but life has always gotten in the way. And now that Cryptos R Us has given me the opportunity to whoop some ass for money, how could I ever pass that up? My training has been going phenomenal. I have a fantastic team around me, all focused on one goal, and everything else in my life is taking a backseat to this fight. Now, my opponent has been going around telling everybody that he's going to knock me out in the first round. Well, let me tell you something, and I know you're listening. I'm working harder than you. I'm better than you. I'm going to outstrike you. I'm going to outpace you. I'm going to drag you into deep waters, and I'm going to sleep you in front of all your friends and family. So I hope you're prepared to be embarrassed in front of everyone. Now, I can't tell you who my opponent is just yet, but I can give you a little hint. Because there's not too many dweebs in the space who like to dress like this. If you want to come learn more about the rest of the fighters on the card, there's going to be tickets in the description of this video to an event held in Vegas next month on December 14th, where you get to meet all of us and watch me verbally abuse this man. Looking forward to meeting all of you guys. And to my opponent, I'll see you soon, boy. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Rod.
He even buoyed me at the end.
What's Karate Combat?
It's like MMA without ground fighting.
Yeah, you get 5 seconds of ground, 5 seconds of ground and pound, and no, like you can't kick between the knee and the hip, so you can go above the hip. You can go above the hip all the way to the head. There's no headgear. You've got the 4-ounce gloves on. It's very,
I wrestled all the way through college. If there's a way to make money stomping out some influencers, I'm in.
Dude, get in, bro. Hey, what do you weigh?
175.
Honest, what do you weigh?
I weigh 148.
148. Did you say 175 for us?
Yeah.
How tall? How tall?
6'2".
I'm 6 foot.
Oh, okay, yeah. No, that's good.
Yeah, so it's gonna be. Are
the prizes pretty decent?
I can talk to you about it. I can talk to you about it off camera.
Yeah, I just don't know how I do in karate. I'm not a striker. I'm a wrestler.
Well, it's definitely striking for sure.
Yeah, you
can do takedowns, but then hey, here we go. I'm gonna flip over to this real quick.
Here we go.
Boom. Well, okay. It says that they're going live, and it looks like they are going live.
Watch it just end up being a Trump court video.
There we go.
Oh, Bitcoin's moving up.
CZ officially stepped down as of right now.
Yeah, we're hearing this right now.
Are you going to share your screen?
Richard Tang named new CEO of Binance.
Yeah, I don't hear anything though.
Well, he hasn't said anything yet. I don't hear anything either.
feel like there should be some level of volume.
So they're just all going to stand around pat each other.
Okay. There we go.
I'm joined today by Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen, Deputy Attorney General Lisa Monaco, and CFT
It's as loud as I can get it
Chairman
to.
Russ Benham. We are here today to announce that the Justice Department has secured felony guilty pleas from the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, and from its founder and CEO, Changpeng Zhao, also known as CZ. Separate from the criminal enforcement actions, the Justice Department is announcing today Secretary Yellen and Chairman Benham will also announce civil regulatory enforcement actions, and the Treasury Department and the CFTC are taking against Binance. While criminal and civil enforcement actions are subject to different legal standards, this collective effort represents the whole of government approach that we are taking to combat corporate crime. Binance has agreed to plead guilty to willfully violating the bank secrecy.
I'm long, baby. Let's go.
Knowingly failing to register as a money transmitting business and willfully violating the International Emergency Economic Powers Act. These laws ensure that our financial institutions are not available to designated terrorist organizations, drug traffickers, and sanctioned nation states that threaten public safety and our national security. The Justice Department is requiring Binance to pay $4.3 billion in penalties and forfeitures. This is one of the largest penalties we have ever obtained from a corporate defendant.
That's
in
they're
a
excited
criminal
about.
matter.
Oh yeah, they're foaming at the
Justice
mouth.
Department is also imposing a monitorship as well as reporting requirements on Binance as part of today's resolution. Moving forward, Binance must file the suspicious activity reports that were required by law. The company is required to review past transactions and report suspicious activity to federal authorities. This will advance our criminal investigations into malicious cyber activity and terrorism fundraising, including the use of cryptocurrency exchanges to support groups such as Hamas.
Of course.
While this historic plea
I'm
is an
live, just so
important
you know,
measure
but
of
it's all good.
accountability, we know
fine.
that corporations only act through the individuals who run them. That is why we
I'm up
have also
38 bucks on
filed
my
a
loan, by the
felony
way.
charge against and secured a guilty plea from Changpeng Zhao for
Just kick
willfully
it.
violating the Bank's Secrecy Act. As
Oh, Bitcoin's
CEO
pumping
of
again. It's
Binance,
moving. Come
Zhao
out.
willfully violated federal law that requires financial
I
institutions
think this is going to dump back
to
down.
guard against money laundering and terrorist financing. Zhao, who resides outside of the United States, entered his plea in person in the United States District Court for the Western District of Washington earlier today. In August 2017, Zhao founded Binance as a platform where users could trade in cryptocurrency. But from the very beginning, Zhao and other Binance executives engaged in a deliberate and calculated effort to profit from the U.S. market.
That's right. Keep talking
without
negative, baby.
implementing the
Bitcoin is
controls that are
pumping.
required by
Viagra
US
mode
law.
being activated, bro.
Zhao and Binance attracted and built a substantial U.S. customer base. Almost 2 years after Binance's founding,
Let's go. Up
Zhao
15% on my
told
trade,
senior
122 bucks.
the
Let's
US
go, baby.
market
Shut up.
represented 20 to 30% of the company's potential revenue. Serving these U.S. customers meant that Binance was a U.S. financial institution. U.S. financial institutions must comply with U.S. law. Zhao and other senior management at Binance understood this. They understood that the company was required by
Crusader,
US
I was
law
kidding.
to
Are you
register
killing it?
with the Treasury Department
Of course I am.
as a money services
Question
business.
is, am I going to take
And
profit?
they understood that they were
Oh, my take
required
profit
by
got
US
hit.
law
Oh, damn.
to implement an effective anti-money laundering program.
Oh, my God. I
They
forgot my
failed
take
to
profit
do
was already
either.
there. Shit.
Instead, they concluded that complying with U.S. law would stifle their efforts to grow Binance's profits, market share, and trading volume. So, rather than comply, Binance facilitated billions of dollars of unregulated cryptocurrency transactions. It willfully enabled hundreds of millions of dollars in transactions between American users and users subject to U.S. sanctions. And its platform accommodated criminals across the world who use Binance to move their stolen funds and other criminal proceeds. Binance prioritized its profits over the safety of the American people. In part because of the crimes it committed, Binance became the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. Now, Binance is paying one of the largest corporate penalties in U.S. history. Binance employees knew and discussed that the company was serving thousands of users in sanctioned countries, and they knew that facilitating transactions between U.S. users and users in sanctioned countries would be in violation of U.S. law. But they did it anyway. Binance enabled nearly $900 million transactions between U.S.
We can listen
and
to
Iranian
him
users,
without looking at him, watching the chart, Crusader.
Millions of dollars in transactions between U.S. users and users in Syria and in the Russian-occupied Ukrainian regions of Crimea, Donetsk.
This is all such BS. This is all just
really
about BlackRock pushing Binance out of some market share before the Bitcoin ETF gets approved.
Yep, I agree. I agree.
Somebody clip that.
February
so obvious.
Chat, one compliance employee wrote that they needed a banner that said, quote, "Is washing drug money too hard these days? Come to Binance. We got cake for you."
Oh my God.
Failing to comply with U.S. law, Binance made it easy for criminals to move their stolen funds.
Oh, of course.
Proceeds.
Or you can just have the U.S. government direct inject and fund terrorism by just handing the money over in U.S. dollars.
That's a good point. For sure.
$106 million
wild.
Bitcoin to Binance.com wallets.
I'm thinking about jumping back into a long here.
Hydra was a popular Russian darknet marketplace, frequently utilized by
I don't know.
criminals that
Still have the reversal
facilitated the
signal.
sale of illegal goods.
I'm gonna see how this plays out.
Binance only stopped processing Hydra transactions in April of.
By the way, my profit on that last trade was 111 bucks.
Criminal law
Good work.
enforcement partners
Keep making us money.
control of the Hydra
That's all I do.
and shut it down.
With my help, telling you take
From
profit.
February 2018 to May 2019, Binance processed more than $275 million in deposits and $273 million in withdrawals from Best Mixer. Best Mixer was one of the largest.
Oh, here we go with the mixers.
Anonymizing services in the world before it was shut down for money laundering.
My sushi swap long is doing pretty well.
Okay.
With federal law.
It makes sense. I mean, they're going after centralized exchanges, so decentralized exchanges become a little bit more.
Well, that's a good point.
That it would block U.S. users
That's a good point.
from Binance.com and launch a separate U.S. exchange.
But I think you're totally right, Forrest.
Exchange Binance.us would register
spot ETF goes,
and serve
get
US
Binance the hell out of the way, or at
Binance
least
block some.
Yeah,
them a
so I was
big
reading
hit.
that. I was reading that
and
like
redirected
they
them to the U.S. exchange.
couldn't
same
launch
time,
the
however,
Bitcoin
Binance
ETF
continued
until
to allow
after
some of its
Binance was
most
out of the way to
important
some degree.
high-value
I think this is
US
actually a better
security
resolution than compared to like the nuclear option where Binance goes under.
Oh yeah, for sure.
of Zhao and other senior
It's like
leaders at
fine
Binance.
them, get rid of the CEO.
Encourage their
keep moving.
high-volume U.S. users to conceal their U.S. connections, including by creating new accounts.
So who's the new CEO? Are they going to be like a BlackRock employee or
As
something?
Zhao himself said, in
Richard
September
Tang.
2019
I forget what
chat,
role he was in
"If we
before,
blocked
but he
US
just got
users from
instated.
day one,
JP Morgan,
Binance
BlackRock,
would not be as
Vanguard.
big as we are today.
Jamie Dimon.
We would also not have had any U.S. revenue
Jamie Dimon's golf
for the
buddy.
last 2 years. He then added, quote, "Better to ask for forgiveness than permission," close quote. Over a year.
Hey, that's
after
my quote.
Binance
Better ask
publicly
forgiveness than
announced
permission.
blocking
He stole that
US
from me.
users, an internal
bet.
monthly company report attributed 16% of its total registered user base to the United States. That was more than any other country on the unregulated Binance.com platform. In the next
Bitcoin
month,
breaking down.
Binance removed the United States label and recategorized U.S. users with the label UNKWN, short for unknown. In October 2020, users labeled as UNKWN represented approximately 17% of Binance's registered user base.
Oh,
Binance and Zhao
Bitcoin breaking down.
profited significantly from
It's
their
almost like somebody
violations
told you
of
that was going
federal
to
law.
happen.
That they are facing accountability for their crimes
Come on
is
now.
due to the
It's gonna come back
extraordinary
up.
hard work of the extraordinary public servants at the Department of Justice.
Crow, you're still short?
I want to thank the Criminal Division's money laundering. And
Nope, I
national
closed out of that,
security
went long. I was at
section,
profit.
the
Now it
National
just reversed
Security
again.
Division's and the Intelligence and Security section, United States.
Well, I went long on the one on this platform, and I stayed in my short on the other one. So I figure one way or another I'll get somewhere. But chances are they'll meet in the middle on some channel.
Treasury Department, including IRS criminal investigation, as well as CFTC Chairman Benham and his team for their extraordinary partnership.
Okay.
In just the past month, the Justice Department has successfully prosecuted the CEOs of two of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges in two separate criminal cases.
Must be so proud.
The message here should be clear.
All right. I don't think you want to keep watching this, or you want to get back to it, because
does not make you.
I love being gaslit.
Yeah, exactly. And I think that's exactly what's happening there. I think Forrest couldn't have said it better. I mean, they want Binance to, lose market share as the spot ETF comes out. It allows them one more chance to take a strike at the markets and, maybe position themselves better as they get ready to load up their own freaking bags. This is just absolute classic U.S. government. And by the way, we're going to add $4 billion since we don't have any money anyway, because we screwed ourselves on all of that. We've been just passing it out like handouts to everyone.
We're not allowed to talk about that right now because that makes us terrorists.
Yeah, we're not allowed to talk about the handouts.
You can't have an opinion on anything anymore.
You can. It just can't be a conservative opinion. That's
true. Yes, we have to say down with crypto, down with freedom.
Let's go. I jumped into another Bitcoin short here, up $16 so far. Come on, baby, keep dumping. Let's go.
Now we're talking. Forrest, you had mentioned that Sushi Swap was doing decent. Is that continuing to be the trend currently?
It's coming down with everything right now, but it's still in profit. I jumped into a chain link long while everything was while it was just starting to pump, but that's going to get stopped out in profit. We'll probably make like $5 off of that.
Okay.
Looking to re-enter a chain link long if it comes down to 14. It's currently at 14.10. My stop loss is at like 14.09.
Just a good level. Just a good level that you're looking at.
14 is a really big level that it just it came all the way down to like 1350, and then it's pumped through 14. So I want to get it on a back test of 14. And right now it looks like it just got stopped out, so made like a couple bucks there. But I'm gonna put an order in at about 14 and see if it can back test and hold 14 as support.
Couldn't agree with this one more. Cut your right arm off. That's how they want you to be now. Just cut off your right arm. You need to be left. Period. And stop.
I really do wish I was alive 50, 100 years ago and really was able to compare and contrast the levels of corruption in government today as opposed to yesterday.
Do you think that it was more, or we just have the information now?
That's the thing. I don't know. My wife seems to think, she's like, this is how it's always been. It's just now we know more because of social media and everything else.
I'm
like, that might be true, but I'm just so disgusted by all of it now that I just don't even want to be a part of any of it. It's all disgusting.
It is.
Yeah, the information just didn't spread as fast as it does now. Something happened and the whole world finds out in minutes.
Yep.
Versus back then, it would take years for anything to actually leak out to massive amount of population.
If it wasn't for the left's hatred of Trump, I would probably still be oblivious to half of the shit going on in the world.
Yeah.
But it's just like they put it all out there so much, and it's like, why all this hate over one guy? Is this guy the Antichrist? Is this what is it that's like pushing everybody to just lie, cheat, and steal against this guy?
Yeah, it is absolute craziness.
I think it occurred the opposite effect on that though. When it comes to him though, I think everybody was like, why are they hating on him so bad? Because that's really what got me to him. I was like, damn,
well, that's what I'm saying.
They must want him shut up for some reason. Let me check out what he's got to say.
But I got wrecked when he was when Mr. Crusader was making money. I was losing money at a fast pace. I got stopped out. Then I caught the reversal, and so I caught the reversal and got all my money back.
Nice, good move. In what asset?
The same thing, synthetics.
Okay, in synthetics.
They're pretty. It's pretty much mimicking everything Bitcoin and everything else. Everything y'all are talking about is doing. It's pumping. It's pumping. It was pumping with synthetics too. So
yeah, just having bigger moves for sure. Crypto Gamer said, I love this show. Just gave you a like. Appreciate you. If you haven't smashed the like already, let's get to 100 likes. We got about 140 people in here. make sure that you're following all the traders on here. We were doing a little bit of watching of the announcement today from the DOJ, where they just gaslit everyone in the crypto markets. So we are getting back towards trading. Crusader's been in a couple profitable trades today. Fantastic.
I just jumped back into my short again because I knew I just.
Good Lord, you're like a bipolar trader right now. I'm in a short. I'm in a long. I'm in a short. No. Let me go long. I'm in a short. But you've been making money. So I'm done.
Up $8 right now.
Just make sure to consult with me. I'll tell you when to take profit. We make a great team.
Okay. You're talking about profits, and the thing's already going up in the reverse. Stop.
Oh boy,
this has by far been the worst trade wars season yet. I don't know what my deal is. I've been
only two
all over the place, and I just closed out everything. I'm like, fuck this. It's like not.
It's just not going your way.
It's like every time I push the button, I might as well just like.
Well, just tell us what you're doing so we can do the opposite.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I just closed out, so stay in the market. You'll make a fucking mint.
All right, let's go.
Crow, last night, just real quick, I was training, and it was a guy that I had never trained with before, and shorter guy than me, heavy set, doesn't really matter, but just setting the stage for you a little bit. And we were running through combinations, and he kept dropping his hands. And my coach was like, "Hey, remind him when he drops those hands, just pop him. Not crazy hard, just giving him a little pop. You know what I mean?" And so I did it about 4 or 5 times, and on the 4th or 5th time, this dude cocks back and takes a full freaking, I'm talking just a full swing on me, right? And I freaking parlay it, and he full on missed with it, right? But ultimately, my coach was like, "What the F are you doing?" Starts screaming at him. He unstraps his gloves. He throws them down. He's like, "This mother effer keeps hitting me in the side of the head." And he's like,
"What's that?"
He's like, "You're not keeping your hands up. I told him to do it." Mm-hmm. So long story short, he was going to leave. He gets him to strap back up. We start running combos again. And he drops his hands, and I don't do it. And I looked over at my coach, and my coach gives me the shit-eating grin, and he shakes his head. He gives me the nod. He's like, "Do it again." And so the next time he dropped his hands, I tapped him again, and he just absolutely lost his freaking mind and stormed out of training. And I was like, "Good God, a 45-year-old man acting like a child."
I tell you what, man, one of the most jarring punches I ever took because I kept putting my head down, and I was sparring a pro boxer. That's a totally different animal than like sparring an MMA guy. Let me just fucking tell you.
Okay.
And he punched me right in the center of the top of my head and pushed my head down into my neck.
Ooh.
You want to talk about something that'll really rattle every bone in your body? And he didn't even do it hard, just enough, like you said, to let you know to stop doing that. But it was enough that I'm like, I almost felt like he broke my fucking spine.
Who are you boxing?
That was years and years ago.
Your head?
Huh?
Who were you boxing?
I was
that could reach the top of your head.
I would get down low, and he was tall too. He was probably 6'5". So, you know, anybody I sparred with was generally close to my size. But yeah, man, that shit sucks.
So Crypto Independent said, "Keeper, I thought you were versus Crusader." We are. It is my team versus Crusader's team, but Crusader and I have
trying to make me lose money. That's what happened.
Crusader and I have a shared account that he is trading with, and we keep making money when I tell him to take profits. We keep making money when I tell him how to take profits.
This short, bro, I'm telling you, it stopped me out of the short, and then it goes right back down. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. There it goes, bro. There it goes. Every time I jump into it, it goes up, stops me out, and then it comes right back down.
The markets are searching for you.
Son of a.
They're hunting.
It's just channeling to the right. I mean, it's going. So here's the thing. We're Tuesday. So tomorrow there'll be a significant reversal. Like we're basically just ranging right now.
This is just happening here. Like, well, of course, we've had massive volatility all day today, right? We dropped all the way down to 36.3, had a massive
all the way up to like 37.8 or something,
and then jumped all the way up to 37.5, came all the way back down to 36.6, and then now have been sideways ranging to the upside on this little trend here. You know, the goal is to, you know, run up, but I don't know. We're definitely coming down to this trend again. I've been trying to catch these damn shorts, but
I want to real quick take a brief second to say, smash the likes. That's the simple thing to do. Secondly, NFTs, 0.1 Ethereum. Scan the QR code. I'm gonna have Crusader pull that up right quick. That will get you, if you get mine or Crusaders, you get to come onto the show, not a spot on the wheel. I think I've been not clear about that. You actually get to come onto the show to play Flip or Hodl, which the next game is going to be.
Come onto the show.
You're coming onto the show to have the opportunity to win however many thousands of dollars are there. It's at $1,945 right now. And then if you get the winning trader, you also get to come onto the show, and you get 25% of the mint, and you get whatever that trader is offering. So for 0.1 Ethereum, I just want to throw out there, it is what we call an opportunity. So check those out. And plus the NFTs are dope anyway. So, and there's only 12 of them.
There's only 9 left now. There's already 3 gone. Only 9 left. Make sure. Oh man, here comes the dump, bro. Here comes. Damn it.
I hope it just takes a huge donkey shit right now, just all the way down.
It's coming, dude. It's coming. It's coming right now. There it is. Look, it's starting to move. Oh my god.
Take it down to 34,000.
Oh, you want to see a big move?
Just a massive pile of steam rising off of that chart. That's all I want right now. For my birthday, I want to like recover.
Is it your birthday?
All my losses tomorrow.
It's my mom's birthday today. It's my cousin's birthday tomorrow. So happy birthday, Crow.
Oh, you got a cool ass family, man. We must all be Scorpios.
I'm telling you. I don't know. I don't pay attention to that, but sure. Sounds like it.
You never spent a week in LA? Come on, man.
I don't pay attention to any of that.
I do. Kristen and I are there's this dude on TikTok who can read you like a freaking book, and I don't mean like general weak ass shit. Like his astrological stuff on Virgos, man, I swear to God, he defines my wife to a T, and she's a unique individual. So to do that with such accuracy, there's definitely some truth to that. Though I don't like live and breathe it, and I don't drink my own urine and all that other shit that a lot of those LA people do.
Oh, it's 3:59, ladies and gentlemen.
Here it is, bro. Here's Bitcoin coming down to that support trend.
Coming back down to support.
Dude, I freaking got stopped out on this candle right here. Look at this bad boy just coming straight down.
Forrest, what's your account at? You're muted.
Either muted or frozen. I don't see him moving.
No, he's not frozen. He's not frozen. He's just muted.
$5.99.
$5.99. So Forrest was profitable today. Honest. He's muted and he's laughing, so I'm kind of nervous about what this is about.
Man, I'm like, oh no, Prophet, can you like ask me last? I just
sure. Crow, what are you at?
Positive $32,876.12.
That would be a lie. What is your account at?
I'm a pro trader now. What is my account at? I don't know. There's too many numbers.
I'm gonna need to know.
$438.
Okay, 438. And honest, it's 4 o'clock. What is it?
I'm at 926.
Okay. All right. So we had profit for Forrest, a little bit of negative for honest. Crow had a little bit of negative. Not a terrible showing today. It was kind of a little bit dry today. But
today's been such a weird day, man.
Crusader out traded everybody on Team Keeper today. I'm just saying.
Yeah, you did with my help. You're correct.
Oh man, here comes the dump. Here comes the dump. There it is. There it is.
Profits. Fantastic.
There it is.
Crypto fam, we love you guys. Remember, we got the NFTs. Remember that ultimately we have that's going to bring you onto the show. What did you say?
Ellen Cheney.
Oh, I
Scorpio.
thought Crusader was, I thought Crow was throwing something out there. Make sure to smash the like if you haven't already. Follow all of the traders. We love you guys. Thank you for being here. Shout out to our sponsors one last time. Market Cypher 20% off. High IQ, don't be stupid. Use High IQ, and then ZoomX for providing all of the liquidity for the show. We appreciate you, gentlemen. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. And Crypto fam, did I miss anything, Crusader? Did we not remember to tell the people anything? Were we supposed to
crow your coins?
That I forgot.
That's what you forgot.
Well, we're gonna talk to people about crowing their coins soon. We can have a chat about that in a second.
Yeah, we're just gonna be picking up the Trading Wars show back up next week. Obviously, Team Keeper and Team Crusader have already gone this week.
Yep.
Entering into third week, we're just gonna be having some fun. Everybody enjoy Turkey Day. We'll be posting some content. Get some of the NFTs if you haven't already. Try to get that high value. Get on Flip or Hodl. Hopefully, we can run a Flip or Hodl session on Black Friday.
Man, I'd love to run it on Black Friday.
Tuned. Yeah, everybody stay tuned for that.
We'll be streaming tomorrow. We obviously won't be streaming on Thursday. So happy Thanksgiving to everybody. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow, and hopefully, Hopefully Friday we can do a flipper high. All right, Crypto Fam, we love you. You could have been anywhere today on a Tuesday, but you're hanging out with your boys at Crypto Wars. Question everything.
Trust nothing.
And until next time, hodl
like a top.
We'll see you soon.